guys, so my husband arrived this morning and I want to do unboxing and show all the things that he has brought. Okay, so first of all, let's start with the beverages. I love Dano milk, so he brought that. I think Dano milk is more than one. Has 2 packs, and this may sound a bit strange, but it's actually, should I say, financially wise, because for example this is 14,500, and if you are buying this size here, it would probably be like 11 or 12 euro, which is more than this amount if you know the exchange rate. So I got the full cream and then the skim milk, and then this is Checkers custard 3-in-1. So we got 2 Ovaltine, and the custard was also 2. I have my empty box here that I'm going to pour all of them inside. So now let's go into the foodstuffs. This is the one I'm most excited about, but I'm perceiving some things. So it's like the water leaf did not smile very well. So this one is water leaf. I'm going to use it so quickly so that it doesn't get too spoiled. I'm definitely making this soup today. Definitely making this soup today or tomorrow at most. So this is water leaf. It's not too fresh again, but not too bad. This is editan. This one is still very fresh. I don't want to remove all of these things so that you can still get the freshness as long as you can. This is editan, and that is as fresh as it can be. Let me keep this thing here. What is this? This is afang. This is my afang leaf. See, still very fresh. We're gonna cut that really quick, and some fruits, of course, avocado. That's another water leaf. I didn't know, and the thing just busted. I didn't know. That's another water leaf. If you know how much water leaf is in Europe, like, you will know why we had to get this across here. The last time I even saw water leaf, it was 12 euro per kg, and before you know, 1 kg is just 1 kg. Before you know it, it's already 1 kg. You'll be like, they'll pack it in your nylon and be like, what's this? The only thing I would advise is, if you are going like from wherever you're traveling from, if this thing was to be wrapped that day, you understand, that morning, you know, you travel on Saturday. If it was wrapped that morning, it wouldn't have consumed this much, but it was wrapped on Friday, and it stayed like that Friday, Saturday, Sunday, and today Monday. So for it to still be like this,
another thing is getting it rid of water first before packaging.
Okay, it was weight.
It may be weight now.
Maybe weight, yeah. Maybe weight, because it was bought from the market. Assuming we live close to where those women are selling it in the bush.
Cut it and spread it on the floor.
Yeah, it would have been more better. And also, this was not bought, I think it was bought that Friday, but in the market. And you know, by the time they take water leaf to the market, it's already sprinkled with water.
So that it will not.
Yeah, but the saving grace, I think, is because of this.
Yeah, the pepper.
See how soaked the pepper is. Then we have fishes. What do they call that thing? My mom used to call it abato. Yeah, still the fish. My sister want me to start fish market in Ireland. This one with my and soap. Don't joke, please. What? No play. No, don't play. I see over.
Sorry.
Then we have this one. It's still part of the abato. And this is catfish. That's my catfish.
Okay, your sister, sir.
Seriously. Another quick. I think we have to remove this thing. It waits. We'll do that one later. Later. Remember when I was complaining about my afang soup without fufu?
Your fufu don't carry.
My fufu has landed though. My fufu has landed. I'm telling you.
That's right.
More fishes. More fishes.
Thank you, sir.
Welcome, welcome. What is this? Ooh.
Should I pause it?
No, don't worry. Oh my goodness, this is too dry. Like snail.
Snail.
That's too dry, but that's okay. Different sizes of granules. Different sizes of granules. Oh, and of course, plantain and bananas. The leaves has really like bring water inside. Yeah. We're gonna
clean
do
it
that.
off.
Yeah. So that's all for that bag. Let's go again for the next bag.
All right.
The land of cold.
Now look at the Facebook. Okay, I found it though.
But that one is already running.
Yep. Okay.
Okay, so this is what?
Afang.
Afang again. Oh, this is actually for someone. Just that's not mine. Someone asked me, a very good friend. This is Atama. I hope it's still fresh.
It's fresh now. It's still
That's
fresh.
Atama.
Yep, it's okay.
And more avocados. More avocados. Okay, that was two, and this is the next one. And stockfish. Stockfish. And more avocados. What's this one?
Bread.
Hi. Hey, Mbakara. I hope this cucumber is alive. Aye! 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 Oh my goodness! How come? I never expected to still be this. Oh my goodness, seriously, I never expected it to still be this fresh. My goodness.
Okay. Then don't squeeze the Maya bread out of
As
the
in
Maya out of the bread.
they squeeze the bread out of Maya. Aye.
Fufu is like,
Fufu is life, my brother. Paracetamol tablet.
I tell you.
If you have fever, eat fufu.
Eat fufu.
Eat fufu. If you have fever,
your fever is gone.
I'm telling you. I'm telling you. Paracetamol tablet.
That one is homemade, Gary.
My goodness. What? Okay, this is Gary. When I even put cup joint. This is the one your mom brought, right?
Yep.
We go shop. When you finish homemade fufu, you join with Gary. And this is Editan. These ones are still very like you know. Editan is like a very strong leaf.
It has a long span.
Editan is a very strong leaf, so it doesn't really have problem. Unlike Atam and Waterleaf. This is another afang. They are very fresh. This is
that the
another Editan. Yeah. You see why I was telling her to like squeeze it like this? Because when everything is covered, you see how fresh they look here. Because otherwise, these people will still go and squeeze the hell out of it. This is another afang. I'm telling you.
What is that?
This is ugu.
Okay, ugu.
Oh Oh, thank God. Thank God. It's not so.
But
Yeah, it's not so bad. It's not so bad. It's not so bad and not too fresh either. It would have been better if it was that same day that it was packed. And this is what Atama.
that one has gone. No?
Why this one died like this?
This one has gone. That is the one that Indo brought, or maybe mom.
Oh,
That one is gone.
why now? We still have more leaves inside because me. This is the ones I was. This is Azusa.
Saint leaf and all those ones. Huh? Baba. Alpha. I even bought Korea. I put Korea leaf.
Yeah, I can perceive it.
Oh.
See, if this thing was like 2, can you see the difference?
Yep.
See where the 2 is really there, and see where
you have 1.
Yeah, because those people, when they go, they will scatter it for you. What's that? Ugu again? Yeah, this one is more fresher, but it's almost the same thing. Oh, I will still select. I'll do the selection after now. And this is another ugu. It depends where they weigh, but that's okay. And then the remaining plantain, and of course,
It seems one avocado is right inside there.
I think so.
Check it there. That
Yeah.
one. That one.
It's
The
not
other
really
one.
ripe.
There's another one.
Oh, I can see it. Oh, avocado is not a problem. It's just the 2 that is, but there are still many inside that are still very good. And
It seems I've seen coconut there.
yeah,
Bring it out. Alright.
we have like 1, 2, 3,
This one will be how much?
4 coconuts.
Alright.
That's it.
For the unboxing. We are good to go.
Yeah.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye.